I was standing in the middle of the ocean in Cambodia 6 months into a world backpacking trip. I was nearly broke. I had 2 failed Amazon products behind me, and I was seriously thinking about going home and just quitting the Amazon business altogether. But here's the part that nobody talks about. I was telling everyone back home that things were going great. My name is Dave, and before I sold my Amazon brand for over 6 figures in 2025, before I coached over 600 sellers, before I built BloomEngine, the software that I wish I had from day one, I was a guy who was working 14-hour days, bouncing between the film industry and the hospitality industry with no clear path to anything. I have ADHD and I struggled with school my whole life. So when I discovered Amazon FBA, I went all in. And my first product failed, and my second product failed right after that one. And it didn't just hurt my bank account, it confirmed every fear that I had about myself since day one. So there I was standing in the ocean. I was broke, I was embarrassed, but I made one decision that changed everything. I didn't go home. I moved to Australia instead. I got a bartending job and I saved every single dollar that I could, and therefore I gave it one more shot. Not because I was confident, but because I just wasn't ready to quit. My third product worked, therefore I launched a fourth one. That one worked too, therefore I launched a fifth product. And before I knew it, I had built a real brand in the most boring niche that you can imagine, RV accessories. This is a category that I had zero personal connection to, but I had built that brand up and sold it for over 6 figures in 2025. Here's what those 2 failed products actually taught me that I wish someone told me on day one. The first thing was I was launching Me Too product. I found something that was selling well. I found the exact same thing on Alibaba and I just shipped it in. No edge, no reason for anyone to choose mine. And when you do that, the only lever that you have left is price. And a price war is a war where nobody wins. Number 2, I had no system. I was making emotional decisions, not data-driven ones, and I was falling in love with products instead of running them through a real filter. And number 3, I was doing it alone. And doing it alone is genuinely one of the hardest parts of the whole journey. The sellers that I've watched succeed, literally hundreds of them, they had a community, they had a framework, they had a feedback loop. I had none of that, and it cost me 2 products, and it almost cost me everything. Now here's why I'm telling you all of this. I built the thing I wish I had back when I was standing in that ocean, and it's a community called Grow With FBA. The system, the tools, and the people who actually get it all in one place. It's open right now, and the link is in the description if you want to take a look. Because the bigger thing is, if you've ever felt like you're not smart enough, not experienced enough, or just not sure that this thing is possible for someone like you, I was that person. Standing in the ocean, broke, convinced myself that I had already failed, but I wasn't ready to quit. And if you're still watching, neither are you. Alrighty, if this one hit home, subscribe and stick around. I will see you in the next one.